Hello everyone! Today we're going to make garlic green onion naan. The naan we're making is bready and has garlic pieces inside, so if you don't like any of those, please click away now. We also used olive oil as a dip, but obviously it would taste better with some curry. Here's a list of the ingredients used. No yeast or an oven is required for this recipe. So we're going to start off by using 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil, one teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, now we dip our hands in water and knead the dough. It'll look flaky for a bit, but don't worry. Now we'll add oil to our hands and continue kneading the dough until it is circular and has a smooth surface. Okay, now it's round and smooth. We're going to cover the dough for 15 minutes at room temperature. You can even see the garlic pieces on the surface. Then we'll take that dough and break it into 5 smaller balls. If you have a rolling pin for this next step, please roll them out to obtain a uniform flat piece of dough. Yeah, as you can see, I didn't have any, so I had to pretty much slap and punch the dough to get it about 1/2 inch or 10 centimeters in thickness. Squish in more garlic and green onion into the surface. When you're satisfied, put it aside and do the same to the others. Once your frying pan is at medium heat, wet the surface of the naan you are going to fry with water or oil. These 3 we're just going to try using water. Once they turn brown, flip them over. For these next 2, I'm going to try using oil. I just love that sizzling noise. I oiled the other side, so when I flip it, I don't have to add more oil. Yes, I burned it a bit. For that nice oily looking layer, I added margarine to the surface while it was hot. Ta-da! That's some beautiful looking naans we made! Garnish with more garlic and green onion to taste. It's bready, it's warm, and it is delicious. Here, give it a try. I didn't really see too much of a difference between the water versus oiled naans. The oiled naans were definitely crispier, but I also did burn them. I would recommend it as a snack. You can wrap up the leftovers and then just toast them or warm them up in the oven the next day. Bye everyone! Thanks for watching!